Police are warning people with ground-level window air conditioning units to be on the alert. Cor Harlan reports on a series of break-ins that have happened in Tigard this week.
Burglars broke into several Tigard area businesses earlier this week, including Primitive Racing, and they got into the building through what authorities consider to be one of the more vulnerable parts of the outside of a building, the window housing the air conditioning unit that keeps the front office cool. These are the pictures taken from out front of Tigard's Primitive Racing after burglars broke into the business early Tuesday morning. The air conditioning window is a vulnerability for both businesses and homes, say Tigard Police, and they want the public to be aware. The air conditioning window at Primitive has been reinforced now with a metal frame to prevent another break-in. Paul Eklund, the owner of the store, says that he's out a considerable chunk of change.
That was really all. We have a lot of equipment here that, is special to us, and so none of that got damaged or taken, so we're still in business.
Thieves took money and a car from the business. The Washington County Sheriff's Office recovered the car with keys still in the ignition from a nearby apartment complex. And it turns out those thieves worked up an appetite as they rummaged through Paul's business.
They rummaged through all my Kashi bars and candy bars and cans of peanuts and all that. And there was a frozen burrito left on the floor that they had fished out of the freezer.
Primitive employs 5 people here, manufacturing lift kits and beefed up suspension systems for Subarus. Some of the money is gone, but they're back in business today and wanting to warn others of the perils of having an unsecured ground-level air conditioning window. In Tigard, Cor Harlan, KOIN 6 News.